Hello everyone, today we're gonna learn the recursive function. In normal function we call out of the function. I put a num int display. In a normal function we call it from outside and it's work. But in a recursive function we have to call it in the statement or inside the function. Okay. We took a number parameter. We take a number parameter and here I echo this number and we call it again +1. Okay, we have to put our initial number here. It's 1 and here I have put a condition in recursive function. Here one condition, if the condition is true then it will work, if the condition is false then it will not work. So we add a condition. So if total number is less than or equal 5, here if number is less than or equal 5 then it's echo and can use here space then display the number. Okay, I run it. Here you can see the output. Okay, if we change the condition, here I write 50. Okay, you can see long line. If the condition is false then it will not work. Here I put 5 and here I put 6. No, the condition is wrong, so it will not work. You can see it will not work. So recursive function is only work when the condition is true, then it will work. So thank you for today.